Hello guys, here's Adam from ESA. Welcome to Solareast Heat Pump Limited Corporations. With more than 10 years experience in air source heat pump technology, our company is the leading pioneers in providing sustainable and efficient thermal energy solutions. And today it's my great honor to be here to make a tour guide about our company. So without further ado, let's get started.
Our innovative approach has touched more than 25 million households and over 20,000 engineering customers across 100 countries, underlying our extensive global reach and customer-centric strategy. Our company established a quality management system in accordance with the ISO 14001, ISO 45001, EMC, ISO 9001, ISO 13485, BSCI, SGS, EPA, and other standard. Products are Key Mark, LVD, MCS, UKCA, Roche, BAFA, CE, CB, ETL, and other certified.
Welcome to our state-of-the-art laboratory facility, where cutting-edge technology and expertise coverage to provide unparalleled testing services. With 4 dedicated laboratories, we offer comprehensive solutions for various industries.
Our testing capabilities span a wide temperature range, from a chilling -35 degrees to a scorching 15 degrees, ensuring accurate evaluations across diverse environmental conditions. Furthermore, our lab is equipped to handle machines with impressive power, accommodating units up to 120 horsepower. Each laboratory specializes in different areas, with every lab catering to per unit. B1 lab focusing on all-in-one heat pump water heaters. A2 lab dedicated to monoblock heat pump testing, and A1 lab specifically designed for commercial units. We are committed to delivering precise and reliable results, helping our clients achieve optimum performance and quality assurance for their products.
Now let's move to our workshop. In the next part, I will show you more details and the production process to you.
Our company offers an exceptional enamel water tank solution for enhanced heat transfer efficiency and durability. With our automatic growing machine, the enamel water tank is uniformly applied, ensuring consistent quality. The microchannel design with a spring mechanism provides stability and durability, reducing the risk of detachment. Additionally, the microchannel features a winding film that prevents oxidation, prolonging the lifespan of the microchannel and optimizing heating performance. Our enamel water tank offers superior heat transfer, remarkable durability, and extended product lifespan, making it the ideal choice for various applications. The metal cover fabrication process
Begins with the opening of the material, followed by 3 machines used for punching specific holes or shapes.
Seaming comes next, joining different parts securely. Closing follows, sealing any remaining gap tightly. Finally, the material undergoes painting for both protection and aesthetics. These sequential steps ensure the proper fabrication and finishing of the material or component, starting with the opening, punching, seaming, closing, and concluding with painting. This systematic approach guarantees the creation of high-quality products that meet both functional and visual requirements. Our sheet metal workshop is equipped with advanced machinery, including 3 lasers, 3 CNC automatic punching machines, bending machines, and tough welding machines. This comprehensive set of equipment allows us to efficiently and precisely handle various sheet metal fabrication processes, ensuring high-quality results for our clients. In our painting workshop, the process starts with multiple rounds of washing over water and degreasing to ensure a clean surface. Then, the material is retrofilled to prevent rusting, followed by drying. Painting is done using 24 automatic and even spray paint guns. After painting, curing is done at 200 degrees for 20 minutes, followed by cooling. Introducing our advanced all-in-one heat pump water heater, designed to deliver exceptional performance and energy efficiency. Our state-of-the-art production line ensures precise and reliable manufacturing. The process begins by placing the enamel inner tank into the shell, followed by foam application for installation. Clear foam is carefully removed for a neat finish. Components are meticulously assembled, and a full nitrogen check is performed. Vacuum eliminates air and moisture, and refrigerant is precisely filled. The electrical control system is seamlessly installed. Our production line includes rigorous halogen gas leak detection with cold and hot checks conducted. Finally, a comprehensive finished product check guarantees the highest quality standards.
Our new production line caters to monoblock heat pump and commercial heat pump units, requiring a minimal 700 watt investment and commencing products in July. The line is equipped with an explosion-proof function for enhanced safety.
Comprehensive testing includes leak, helium, halogen, cold and hot, water, commercial simulated user operation and use scenario, and finished product tests. TUV certification tests are currently underway. Notably, our new line features helium detection, offering high sensitivity, accuracy, cleanliness, non-corrosiveness, non-interference, and clear visual display. Experience the reliability and advanced capabilities of our meticulously tested heat pump units.
Welcome to our cutting-edge R219 air source heat pump production line, where safety and efficiency converge.
The process begins with the assembly of accessories, followed by rigorous nitrogen testing, vacuuming, and precise refrigerant filling. Halogen gas leak detection ensures impeccable quality, while the installation of electrical control system ensures seamless operation. Commercial inspection simulates real-world usage scenarios. The final steps include the installation of panels and meticulous packing.
Our third-floor workshop specializes in the production of pour machines. The production process and inspection procedures in this workshop mirror those used for our all-in-one water heaters and monoblock heat pumps.
This ensures consistent quality, reliability, and performance across our product lines. Trust our workshop to deliver high-quality pour machines built with the same meticulous attention to detail.
Alright, that's pretty much about today's video. Thanks for listening and watching. By the way, if you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us anytime. And I hope to meet with you for the cooperation. Thank you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.